Hello, welcome back to our final video. In this last session, we are going to teach you how to create a professional document using Microsoft Word template and also to share with you some tips on working with word art, shapes, pictures, and smart art. Therefore, at the end of the video, you should be able to apply basic skills of using Office automation software to enhance work efficiency. Before we start, let me introduce some tools that you can use to create professional templates. First, Word Art. Word Art is a type of tools which could help us to modify word background, colors, and change the style of your word by adding shadow and hollowness of your word. Next, Smart Art. Smart Art provide a graphic templates which enable you to add content into your graphic and provide convenience for student and office to prepare mind map, graph, flowchart, and so on. And next is Shape. Shapes is a drawing canvas and is similar to a placeholder which is automatically created for any drawn picture. So it allows you to create plenty of shape that you want. Now that you know the tools already, let's get started. You may create a template by going to the File tab on top. Click on New, then search for Seasonal Event Flyer. This is a ready-made template where you can straight away insert the information you want into it. For example, you can replace the logo at the bottom left by right-clicking on it. After that, select Change Picture. To select any logo that you have saved into your computer. Let's say I choose MMU logo. So now, the logo has been changed. If you want to resize the logo, right-click on it. Then choose Size and Position. At the Scale, untick the box for Log Aspect Ratio before you can set the dimension that you want. So now, I change the dimension of the logo to the height of 0.6 inch. And 1 inch of width, and click OK. You can also change any information in this template. For example, you may want to change the color of date according to your preference. You can also change the text pattern. Let me show you how. Go to Home tab and click on the text effect and typographic icon. Click on the drop-down arrow and point your cursor to Shadow. Click once and choose Offset Diagonal Top Left from Outer Selection. You can also change the font type and font size according to your preference. You may follow me now and modify it. If everything is done, we shall proceed to next part of this video. After you have created a template, now I'm going to teach you how to insert shape and smart art. First of all, go to Insert tab and click on the shape icon. Under Star and Banner, select Up Ribbon Shape. Use the dot sizing handle to adjust the size of the shape so that you can widen the center of the ribbon. Next, go to Insert tab again and click on the Word Art icon. You may choose any style that you like in Word Art. Let's say I choose Red Asset to outline. Once you have selected the style, change the text to Marketing Team Training. Now, drag and place the text on the curved ribbon. Use the green alignment line to place the text in the middle of the ribbon. Now, select the Word Art text and go to the Format tab. Under Word Art Style, click on the drop-down arrow for Text Effect. Click on Transform and select Arch Up Design. You can see now that your text is in an upward curve. However, you may need to use the green alignment line to place the text in the middle. After that, you may click on the up ribbon shape to show the layout option. Select the square under with text wrapping to avoid overlapping of text and object in your flyer. Next, let's add the program internally to the flyer. Move your cursor below to the ribbon that you have created. Then, go to Insert tab and click on the Smart Art. You will see many attractive Smart Art graphics that you can insert into your flyer. I will choose category for list and select vertical box list. Now, you can type any information that you want into this graphic. So, if you want to add a description or other information under the box, you may press Enter and tap once on your keyboard. In addition, you can also change the color of your graphic. Go to the Design tab and click on the drop-down arrow of Change Color. There are many options for you to choose from. And we are done. Thank you for watching our video, Microsoft Word for Beginner. If you have missed our previous video, please check out our Facebook page or Instagram.